All right. What we have here today is another amazing product offered by Modern Performance for the Dodge Neon SRT-4. This part has been obsolete for them for the last, I don't know, it could be, I'm just going to say 3 to 5 years. There were some bearing replacements that were offered originally through a company that no one wants to buy through anymore because they can't ship the product. So I won't even mention them. And then another company, SRT-4 Gear, started offering the upgraded bearing to be placed on the shaft because the factory ones went bad and they were non-serviceable. So what we got here, now this was double boxed. It was in a big box packed with paper. Just a really good job packing it. This is what it is right here, okay? This is how this was packed. Paper and everything. So I unboxed the first box, right? So now, as nice as this thing is put together, I don't know if I can, it comes with studs, nuts, and washers. They look to be pretty decent hardware. I really thought this was great. They just offered this, I believe, a week ago, and getting ready to put all new axles. We ordered the axles. I forget which ones that they're called, from Modern also, and I just thought, since we're doing all that, let's get everything new. The intermediate shaft, okay? What's it say on here? I think it says ARP. I can't tell. Maybe the camera can see that. Nice washers. Very nice nuts. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at that under a better light. It's dark right now in these lights, even though it looks like it's bright. Those are a little hard to see. Alright, now let's get the rest of this off of here. Look at that, man. All right. So, they've got real nice clips, pretty nice. The O-ring, just like factory. This is actually, man, somebody took the time to machine that sucker pretty solid. Oh, look at that. MPx right on there. It's a shame that isn't on the other side. You would actually be able to see that more. And this is held in. It's got a large snap ring. So the bearing is probably, you could service or replace that. But that's not something that goes bad. Bearing surface looks pretty good. I'll grab a stock shaft. We'll set it right next to this, and we'll actually take a look, do a side-by-side comparison. All right. This is the one that I've had on a shelf. It didn't have any protectant on it. There's the original part number. Man, wish I had something more level to lay this on. But let's. I'm gonna take the camera here. And I'm just gonna have a very close look here. I would say pretty much. I mean, this was out of a lower mile car, and I just, you know what I mean, I had this as my spare. This thing's been on up on my shelf for probably 4 or 5 years now, which is why it looks like this. This is normal for this to rust. Now, there's no coating here. That would be the only thing that would be nice, especially if you have a car that you have a lot invested in. If this was coated, that would, I mean, I know it's extra cost involved with that, and it's not something that you see, but it would be kind of cool if you could get that, if that was an option. So let's just roll back here. You know, this is a lot thicker of a housing looking here. The bearing, it looks like it's probably about maybe the same size, maybe a little larger. It's hard to say because you can't tell because of this. The body of it looks the same. Everything comes back through. Very nice. Just very little difference here. These splines actually come farther out right there. And looks the same. All right. Let's lay this over. So you can tell that the bearing is a whole lot better. They actually, when they posted this on their page, they showed this, and people wanted to know if they could get this separate. So they're offering this separate also. I don't know if you could get this separate and put a different bearing on it from them. I don't know, but it's nice that it's all one unit, and you can just install this. So, like I said, this hardware, pretty nice. A whole lot nicer than the little bolt. The brackets that these go into, they do strip, people strip these bolts out all the time. I don't know why. You can see we got a little play in that. Not that that's not something that you couldn't use or would work, but the only difference is just this little bit right here. I wish I had a scale to throw them on. Just feeling by hand. Let's try this arm. I don't know. They feel like they're about the same weight. I could get into specifics and start measuring everything, but I'm really impressed with everything that I'm seeing here so far. So this is definitely going to be nice to install with the new axles. I'll probably lube this part, and then when it's installed, it'll have the O-ring to keep the moisture out and the dirt out, like it should from factory. And that's usually the only place that you see any issues with these. It's just, man, you know, this is something that you know, we really needed for the Neon SRT-4, and it's nice that someone is offering this. So there will be a video installing this, and it will be added to that famous cars playlist, along with the axles and a lot of other parts that came from Modern and AGP Turbo. It's a pretty big upgrade going on to that car, going over everything and getting everything cleaned up. So with that, you know, thanks to Modern for offering this, MPx, and I will put the link for this in the in the description, and you guys can check it out if it's something you need. See ya.